In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check if PHP and Apache are configured correctly on your computer. Now, the first thing you're going to need is a good text editor. For this, I'll just use the default Notepad. To open Notepad, go to bottom left corner of your screen and click Start Run. Type Notepad. Just click Enter. Or you can click Windows key R and it opens the same dialog box. So we click Notepad, Enter, or OK. And we're going to make a small HTML file. Small HTML file with bolded text. Now the next thing we're going to need to know is where Apache retrieves these files. The correct answer is Program Files, Apache Group, Apache, htdocs. The htdocs directory of your Apache installation. So we're going to go ahead and save this file into that directory so Apache can read it. Save as. I'm already in the htdocs directory, but I'm going to go back to show you how you can get there. Go to C, Program Files, Apache Group, Apache, htdocs. Alright, and we're here. Or, if you have the place handy, then you can just paste it in the file name field and click Save, and it automatically takes you to the htdocs here. Now let's make a file called example.html. Now, you can see it says save as type, and it says text. We don't want that. We want to save it as HTML, because if we save it now, it's going to add the .text extension to this HTML and make it text anyway. So let's make it all files, and let's click Save. So this example.html is now saved in the Apache directory htdocs. Now we need to retrieve it. So let's go to Firefox or your Internet Explorer browser. Here's Firefox. And I go to localhost. Localhost is your computer. So if there's a server running on your computer, then Firefox is going to find it in localhost. It's actually port 80 by default. So this is your computer. This is exclusive to your computer. So don't worry about security or anything like that right now. And we're going to type the file name, example.php, and Apache is going to retrieve it from its htdocs file. Whoops, example.html. And it's a small HTML file like we wrote in this text. Now let's test if PHP is working. Let's just make a sample PHP file. PHP opens with this and closes with this. You don't have to do anything weird like with HTML where it's slash or anything. So we're just going to make a simple echo. Hello world. The usual beginner examples in programming tutorials. Now let's click Save, or Control S is also a quick key to save. And now we go back to here, but wait, we saved it as HTML, that won't work. So let's save it as PHP. Again, we have to select type as all files, and PHP. Okay, we now have an example.php inside the htdocs directory. Now let's load it with Apache. Example.php. Hello world. Excellent. PHP works. Another thing they tell you to do in the PHP tutorials is the function phpinfo. What this does is it extracts the configuration files from your PHP INI, which is a complicated way to say it just shows you all the default values for your PHP, all your configuration files, all your settings and stuff, and it makes them in readable format. So again,